Hey yo, someone needs to blame in gods and castles.
Oh, I am down. Let me pull it up real quick.
Alright guys, let's not forget why we're here today, okay?
Oh yeah! Wait. Who is this Blizzard man I hear about?
You remember Thanos? Well, Blizzard Man threatens to be even a bigger meme than he ever was. And even more toxic. Toxic.
Yeah, he's trying to gather all the clock stones.
Wait, what are the lock? The Glock. I meant, what are the clock stones?
Let me just look it up here. Oh, there we go, I found it. According to Wikipedia, the stones are sources of power in this universe. Each stone contains a unique component that is present in all clocks, and thus time.
Yes, the hand stone, the mechanism stone, and the number stone. If gathered together, you'll be able to control all of time.
What do you think he plans to do with all of them?
We believe he's trying to bring back Airman.
But why? Why does he want to bring back Airman?
Because Airman is his father.
Well, I'll say that was quite a meeting. Let's get this other windbag.
Alright, so we have received word that Blizzard Man attacked Santa Claus.
Oh no!
And took the mechanism stone.
Oh no, we cannot have that.
We're gonna try and intercept Blizzard Man before he reaches the hand stone. I just want you to go to the facility and make sure the hand stone is secure while we do that, okay?
I will. I'm actually a wizard too. I bet you didn't know that. Now it is time to find the place of the hand stone. I have to go through. But which one? Oh, I picked this one. Oh, this is good. Bro, it is cold out here. This keep is not enough. Hey, who are you? Hey.
I'm Shovel Man Steve.
Oh, you are the guardian of the hand stone.
Yes, I'm here to guard the hand stone. I hear Blizzard Man has the Milk Stone.
Oh no!
Wait, no,
The
that's not
Milk
what it's called. It's the
Stone.
Mechanism Stone. Yeah, he has the Mechanism Stone, man. We gotta protect this one. I'll show you where it's at.
Where is it?
Alright, dude, this is where I store it at.
Oh, you have cooked it.
Dude, that's just its color.
Oh, I see what you meant.
Hey, dude. The scouts said he was coming this way, but there's no sign of Blizzard Man. You think he's onto us? Yeah, and okay, so if he knew we were coming here, that means he's probably at... He knows what the hand is. The hand. He's probably already there. We need to rally the guys. Come on, guys, let's go. Let's go.
Anyways, that's how I started my donut shop in New York.
Oh yeah, that seemed very filling.
It was a pretty filling experience.
Donuts have filling. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, who's that?
That guy over there? It's Blizzard Man. Dude, you know what? You should stay here and protect the stone, because guess what? If he gets it, he'll easily get the third one, and he might destroy the universe.
Uh-oh.
Blizzard Man, you have some cold blood coming here, because guess what? I'm the guardian of this stone. And you ain't gonna get it!
The Houndstone! Why won't this grill open? I want the cadaver! Oh yeah, the mechanism stone. Controls mechanisms. Oh no! I can't fight! I can't fight! Ah!
Blizzard Man is here. We gotta stop him. We gotta stop him. Blizzard Man, your time of terror is at an end. Oh! Dude! Ow! It's so strong! Knock it out! No!
Lizard Man, you are going to die.
Who are you?
I'm Bowman Bob. I was guardian of the Number Stone, and I was attacked somehow by Blizzard Man.
Oh no. Oh no, he's fully powered. We must go. Quick.
Didn't have a hard time getting that to work. Slothman had me tamper with it. He knew there was a traitor in the organization. We're the only two who knew. He trusted me.
Ho ho ho! Ho ho ho! Ho!
Even in the worst of times, would stand up to any threat there was, proving that you were the best of us. And now there's no one else to turn to. What hope is there?
Ho ho ho. Croak. Oh man. Woof. Man, that's a bathroom alright. And hey, get back. I need to use it.
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho.
Oh, man.
Oh man, that was a weird gator I found in there. It smells like a horse. I mean a crab. Oh man. What the? I didn't know it was turkey season. I mean Santa season. Well shoot! Getting some more hide. Well, that was fun. Time to go back to the dryer.